If you drink water immediately after your meals, you might be slowing down your digestion without even realizing it. Most people in the USA and Europe do this every day, but doctors warn it can create several hidden problems. Stay with me because the real reason will surprise you. Number 1. Why water? Right after meals can cause problems. Most people think drinking water anytime is healthy. Yes, water is necessary, but timing matters. Doctors explain that drinking water immediately after meals can dilute digestive enzymes, slow down stomach acid, make digestion less effective. This leads to discomfort and bloating for many people. Number 2. It weakens your natural digestive juices. Your stomach uses strong acid to break down food. But when you drink water right after meals, this acid becomes weaker. This may cause slower digestion, heaviness, stomach discomfort, fermentation of food. For people in the USA and Europe with weak digestion or reflux, this becomes even more noticeable. Number 3. It may increase gas and bloating. When digestion slows down, food sits longer in your stomach. This increases the chance of gas, bloating, burping, pressure in the stomach. Many people think these symptoms come from the food, but often it's the water timing. Number 4. It can affect nutrient absorption. Your stomach needs the right acidity to absorb nutrients like vitamin B12, iron, magnesium, zinc. Water right after meals dilutes acid, reducing your body's ability to over time, this may impact your energy and metabolism. Number 5. It may cause weight gain over time. When digestion slows down, your body burns fewer calories during the digestive process. Slower digestion can also lead to more cravings, unnecessary snacking, slower fat burning. This is why some doctors recommend drinking water at the right times instead of immediately after eating. Number 6. What you should do instead to support better digestion. Drink water 30 minutes before your meals. Avoid drinking water right after finishing. If you're very thirsty, take small sips only. Wait at least 30 to 40 minutes after meals before drinking normally. This small habit change helps your stomach work more efficiently. Number 7. Best time to drink water for a healthy body. Doctors often recommend morning, 1 to 2 glasses. Between meals, good. Before meals, excellent. After meals, avoid. Evening, enough to stay hydrated. Before bed, small amount only. This supports digestion, metabolism, and hydration without slowing your stomach. Number 8. Who should be extra careful? People with these conditions should avoid water after meals. Acid reflux, GERD, bloating, slow digestion, IBS, low stomach acid. These groups benefit the most when water timing is managed better.
Number 9. The healthy drinking routine. Try this simple routine for 7 days. 1. Drink a glass of water on an empty stomach. 2. Drink before meals. 3. Sip throughout the day. 4. Avoid drinking right after eating. 5. Drink small amounts in the evening. Most people feel less bloated and more energetic within a week. For more important health advice like this, make sure to subscribe to the channel.